flood, flood, flood. Noun. Definition: an overflowing of a large amount of water beyond its normal confines, especially over what is normally dry land. Example: a flood barrier. Noun. Definition: an outpouring of tears or emotion. Example: Rose burst into such a flood of tears and sobs as I had never seen. Noun. Definition: short for floodlight. Example: the whitewashed walls glowed eerily in the light refracted from the flood lamps through the rain. Verb. Definition: cover or submerge a place or area with water. Example: the dam burst, flooding a small town. Verb. Definition: arrive in overwhelming amounts or quantities. Example: sunlight flooded in at the windows.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.